Alright, what's up, guys? Day 62. Unfortunately, again, I do not have that much time. I will be... I'm gonna go hang out with my friends in a little bit, so that's why it's a little bit of an earlier stream tonight. Do I have anything else to say? I do have something to say. We passed 1,000 subs. I posted about it in the Discord, but thank you all so much. You've made this journey much better. Much more fun. Even if, God forbid, I don't get a job, like the amount of people I've met through this that are just great people, definitely has made this worth it and much more fun. I feel like I've gotten better too. Do I have anything else? Probably not. Short stream. If I somehow get through the daily, I mean, the acceptance rate looks pretty high. I haven't read it yet. But if I get through the daily somewhat quick and my friends don't text me, I might have some time to do like NU food for a little bit. Maybe like make a basic front end page, like, I don't know, use V0 to make a front end page to use the weekly items. Something along those lines. So I think that's the next step on like what I really want to do. And then we'll go back to poker after. I know we're kind of jumping through projects a little bit. V0 Omega lol. Dude, you think I'm designing front end? No. No. Not happening. I have zero desire to like go make something look even halfway decent. Fuck, this is a lot of text. Okay. Given an integer n, find a sequence that satisfies all of the following. The integer 1 occurs once in the sequence. Okay. Each integer between 2 and n occurs twice. What's up, Caesar? For every integer I between 2 and n, the distance between the two occurrences of I is exactly I. The distance between two numbers on the sequence twice. No, the distance is what the thing is. Okay. Yeah, V0 is, I mean, like, it's good enough. I don't know. I've never liked designing stuff, so. And then if there's multiple, pick the lexicographic, leave the largest ones. Fuck, this seems like backtracking. Right, because first thought is greedy. But greedy could not work just looking at the test cases. Because if greedy were to work, you'd be doing like 5, 4. Yeah. Shit. Backtracking versus DP. Backtracking is more, or at least what I understand backtracking to be, is like you just assume a path, like one path, and then get as far as you can, like taking the optimal path, and then once you realize that it fails, like you kind of like step backwards. Is how I understand it, but I'm also not very good at it. DP is more like explore every possibility, like kind of universally. Like if you're splitting off, like you test both things splitting off, while backtracking is more like you take the optimal as long as you can, and then once we realize the optimal is like invalid, we go back and then try a different path. Do you know have a job? I do not have a job. At least, I mean, I don't have a job for summer. I have a part-time job right now. So, I mean, regardless, we're going to have something of length. What roles are you applying to? Mostly software engineering stuff. What's up? What's up? 2 times n plus 1, right? Because each one needs to occur twice. Got an offer? Dude, fucking congrats, Joseph. What for, if you don't mind me asking? Because that's huge. Joseph making moves, dude. Software developer? I meant like more what? That's fair. I meant like company-wise, like fintech stuff. Pharma? Shit, man, congrats. Summer internship or like full-time? Either way is some king shit. Alright. So if we have an index... Good enough. Full time? Dude. Made it out the mud, baby. Fucking be proud of that shit. What the hell? Okay, so we're backtracking. I think we only need to take in an index. So how do we explore every possibility? I think we try greedy and then go back. Right? We try greedy and go back. So how do we do greedy? We do greedy in reverse order. So it's gonna be something like this. Go to n, 0, -1. Also, I'm very unconfident in my ability to solve this, but we're just going to ball out. We're going to see how we do. Don't give up grinding lead code. We'll keep watching for information. Hey, thanks, man. You got some fucking determination if you're going to keep lead coding after a full time. It's good stuff. So we got to treat the I and not I case differently. So if I is 0, use.I equals true, res at I equals 1. And then we have to check for the backtrack. Wait, but what the fuck is my index? Shit. Wait, I knew I was going to take in the index. My phone just dinged. Poker at 11. All right. We have 15 minutes-ish, maybe like 20. My friend just said poker, and Lord knows I want to play poker. Oh, I know what I wanted to do index as. Because for index, in the one case, shit, why did I want to do it index? Because I wanted, I know you like, you have to treat it differently because the one only has hey, what the fuck did my friend send me? Sorry, give me 1 second. Fuck, what was I gonna use index for? Because I was thinking maybe like index plus 1, index plus I. So I was thinking something alongside this. Right, it's like if we made it, then we're good. If not, like return it. Elif. Is it not just else? And the reset I is true. Reset I is I. But then also reset I plus I is I. Like that's the key difference, right? Like is I away? Yeah. And then I was thinking this is like I index plus I. But how do we know if we're ever returning true? If index is equal to the length of res. That seems wrong. This just seems wrong, though. I feel like I'm using this index thing wrong. Wait, why did someone say? One of my friends said NU food is killing itself. I gotta look at my railway. Give me a second. It doesn't look bad. What the fuck? Sorry, I'm getting sidetracked. Okay. Okay, I'm definitely fucking something up with this index thing. Now that I'm thinking more about this, because essentially what I'm doing. No, it's just not this. This is +1. You always have to, because you can't just skip the gap. But then we also need to make sure that we're not like resetting something. We just increment index. And what? That it just hasn't been set yet. So oh, should I wait? Yeah? We have our used array. We have our result. We first check if like the gaps have been filled, because if it's not 1, we're setting 2 values, but we're only indexing it +1. Go at it in a greedy way. So we're guaranteed to have the lexicographically largest because we're always greedy. Take the optimal and then go backwards. If it's already used, just fucking continue. And this at every step means that we're trying to find the optimal. If the optimal doesn't work, then we only move to the next optimal. And use at I equals true, res at I equals. I'm just going to keep this consistent, even though it doesn't matter. I is 1. If it fails, then return 0. If it's true, then pop it up. This is wrong. This is 0. Fuck. What? Oh. Fuck. I never call backtrack. Guys, I'm somewhat of a generational player. Fuck. Was this length wrong? Wait, should be this 2 times n minus 1? Because if n is 3, it should be length of 5. If n is 5, I'd expect this to be 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Bro, fuck. It's mostly an academic exercise, but for some reason companies tend to ask LeetCode questions in their coding reviews. Yeah, dude, I don't know. It's questions like these that make me question what I'm doing. Okay, this is stupid because I know this isn't what's happening, but... let's make sure I'm not crazy. No. When would it be out of range? Like, what is... why the fuck is 3 there? Oh, this should be end. No? Why is this getting overwritten? Anyone less than best in there? Dude, oh, fuck. I feel like I'm so close. What am I doing wrong? What am I fucking doing wrong? Because the clear problem is that these aren't getting reset. Oh, misclick. Makes me want to partake in the class resolution. Fuck, man. What am I doing? Because why aren't those getting reset? Wait, why isn't this end? Oh, still. So it sees that this one doesn't work, and then... or no, it sees that this doesn't work, so then it tries to place the 1. Which is fine, but why doesn't it go 2, 2? Fuck. I have to look at the solution. I just don't have the time. Unless I'm doing something really stupid. Maybe I should just have to do a bounds check here. Before I look. What if a bounds check works? Shit. Oh, wait. No, this would be equal. Oh, fuck. Please work. Please work. Please. 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 Oh my fucking god, let's go. How long was that? Fuck, okay. Like 25 minutes. Not my best. Random question, what DB are you using? Postgres SQL hosted on Railway. We're asking what DB does SQL inject your app. That's the beautiful thing about having such a simple app. I never read input from the user in any backend operations. Do you manage your DB? Like, do you use a GUI now? All SQL commands or just the Gorm backend? So these are literally the only thing that could change the backend is like favoriting a food. There's no like text input you could have. It's either like adding to a mailing list or like adding food, which is like kind of hype. Dude, I'm so fucking happy I got this problem. Holy shit. Right before I was going to look at the solution. Got this gang, keep on the grind? Thank you. I appreciate it. God damn, that feels good. Okay. Do you not need a GUI to see like your tables and things? I host like my DB on Railway and I can see the stuff, but I usually just don't need to, typically. But yeah. Yeah, it does offer it if I want to. Folded in this problem so hard, I don't blame you. I think if it wasn't like a straightforward backtracking one, I would not have done it. But this was like the easiest backtracking possible. It's just like set the things. If we ended up correct, return true, pop it up. Else just reset the things. Fuck, that feels good. Okay, cool. Did you do the contest today? No. I will never do the contest. I just don't have time. I pretty much just do like 1 or 2 lead codes a day. On that note, guys, another short stream because I'm going to go play poker with my friends. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. It is day 62, so I will see you for day 63 tomorrow. I'm going to try to apply to some more jobs tomorrow because I'll have more time. Yeah, hope everyone has a great night. Thank you guys all for 1,000 subscribers. You guys are the best. Join the Discord, connect with me on LinkedIn. You guys know the deal. I'll see you tomorrow.